Today we're in sunny Adelaide.
Sunny Adelaide.
Sunny Adelaide.
Sunny Adelaide.
Sunny Adelaide.
At the 2025 Vex Robotics Australia National Championships. So the great thing about being here today is to see the students and the enthusiasm they have around designing, engineering and building robotics.
My favourite part about the Nationals is the excitement of the games and teamwork together.
I see Nationals as more of like a way for all the teams to show off what their hard work over a whole year of Vex has been.
The season so far has actually been really fun. I've loved watching the kids come up with great ideas and get excited about the game.
People are very excited about what's going on today and they're very excited about taking part in the competition.
When we qualified for Nationals, we felt very excited, very proud, like all of our hard work paid off, and it's been such a fun time.
My favourite part about being here today is seeing all the other teams from all around Australia and seeing what creative designs they came up with.
My favourite part of attending any Vex tournament is there's something just incredibly wholesome about students coming together and trying to share the outcome of the match.
It's the collaboration between two teams, the ability to meet with another team, talk to another team, strategising in a way that each one has a voice.
We've faced many different challenges and also highs and lows, but I think we're just having fun as a team.
Being on a robotics team is just the perfect opportunity to make friends and work together. It's not really about competing and getting a really good score. I think it's more about just collaborating with other people.
The first thing I tell the kids is that our robotics program has nothing to do with robotics. It's about teamwork, it's about challenge, it's about design and iterative thinking skills.
I think Vex is probably the best STEM program I've come across as far as play-based learning. It hooks them in, and the fact that the competition part is seasonal, that there's a new game every year, it means the innovation can start again. You don't have to have any experience, you can come in, you can have a go.
And the skills that they're learning as part of this competition are things that they'll carry with them right through their lives, and it's all shrouded in the guise of this really amazing community and Vex Robotics program.
The key things you learn through this experience is how to work as a team, how to be determined, what to do when things go wrong. And it's those things that you learn in these competitions that you don't learn in a traditional classroom setup.
To know you don't have to be the best, you can grow and you can learn, and you've got the support around you. And that message, I believe, to instill in young people today is absolutely powerful.
I would tell anyone who's interested to join, just do it. It's such a good opportunity. You make friendships, you learn teamwork skills, leadership.
Just give it a go, you've got nothing to lose, you've got everything to gain.
I just love solving the problems with them as well. We all mesh together really well, like we're a really tight-knit group.